Welcome to EzeeFrench. Today, we will practice 50 vocabulary words for daily routines and time. Listen carefully and repeat after each word. Se réveiller. To wake up. Se lever. To get up. Prendre le petit déjeuner. To have breakfast. Aller à l'école. To go to school. Manger. To eat. Travailler. To work. Se coucher. To go to bed. L'heure. The time. Midi. Noon. Minuit. Midnight. À. At used with time. Le petit déjeuner. Breakfast. Le déjeuner. Lunch. Le dîner. Dinner. Le matin. The morning. Le soir. The evening. Boire. To drink. Un café. A coffee. Un croissant. A croissant. Pratiquer. To practice. Se brosser les dents. To brush teeth. Prendre une douche. To take a shower. S'habiller. To get dressed. Lire. To read. Un livre. A book. Le journal. The newspaper. Écouter. To listen. La radio. The radio. Regarder. To watch. La télé. The TV. Dormir. To sleep. Se laver. To wash oneself. Les cheveux. Hair. Se brosser. To brush. Du pain. Bread. Étudier. To study. Commencer. To start. Finir. To end. La pause. The break. Simple. Simple. Facile. Easy. Chaque jour. Every day. La vie. Life. La culture. Culture. L'étudiant. Student. La chanson. Song. L'histoire. Story. L'école. School. L'aventure. Adventure. Partager. To share. Merci. That's all for today's practice. If you enjoyed learning, don't forget to like and subscribe to EzeeFrench. See you next time.